What can you say pod sa katong mga dili kit siya ubos pagid sa minimum wage earners ng mga LGBT members na walay right, wala sila na tagahigayon sa pag-eskwela, sa ilang profession, sa ilang income. So, kinamo gud ang notion gud attorney usahay na madawat ra man ka mga nga pagkabayot kung ingon ani ka.
Yes,
Kung
yes.
ay okay na kay abogado man ka, okay na kay dako man kag sweldo.
I agree with that. I agree with you entirely. Number one, knowledge is power. And that is why I encourage people, especially the gay community who are deprived of education, to try to enter educational institutions and study. You know, give yourself the benefit of education. And if you have no access to that, try gaining because it's free. Di mo ko ta makaingon nga, sometimes makaingon ta imo na po ng sahang, wa ka ni eskwela, ug tarong. Kay free ba atong education? Even the tertiary education is free. Number two, economic power is power. Kung naamoy kwarta, that's power. Wherever you go, bisan pag adto mo China, komunista na nga country, if you have economic independence, that is power. And that I will have to also encourage our community to grab opportunities of economic independence. Dili ta magsigsalig sa atong ginikanan, dili ta magsalig sa atong mga igsuon. You know, talented man nga group. Skilled pud, no? I'm not saying talent is a gift. Skill is something that you can acquire. So take every opportunity to broaden your economic opportunities and economic gain. Kay from that you can gain a voice. Paminawon manggug ka kung naa kay kwarta. Paminawon pug ka kung you are economically independent. I'm not saying you need to be very rich, no?
Okay.
At least independent lang ka. And that makes a huge difference in your life. And so those two, the opportunity for education and the opportunity for economic exposure would be so important for this community.